Naomi! Naomi! I hope this girl cooks.
Naomi. So you are here. And I've been calling you. Do you know how long I've been in this house? Do you even know where I'm coming from? And I've been calling you, and you feel like you're not going to respond to me. Who the hell do you think you are? Huh? Naomi! Who the hell do you think you are? Do you know how long I've been here? Come here. Do you know how long I've been here? I've been calling your name since.
You stink of alcohol. You're always drinking.
You caused it! You fucking caused it! Foolish girl.
I can't even recognize myself anymore. If I don't leave this man, he's going to kill me. When will all this stop? When will all this stop? A whole Naomi. Let me go and prepare breakfast for him, else he's going to beat me up again and I can't take any more beatings. Oh, I think I should poison him. Or because he thinks he's in an occult group, he's untouchable. The very day is coming where he's going to regret everything. Let me go clean up for breakfast.
Naomi.
Hey! I'm the man of the house.
Naomi, I'm proud of you. I know you'll be going to that job interview. You're a very smart woman. I know you will nail it.
What job is it anyway, sis?
Be the personal assistant to the CEO. Have you heard of Worldwide Enterprise Import and Export Company? Like, it's a very big one here in Ghana. And trust me, their pay is very, very good. If I'm able to get this job, I'll be able to pay for this house and everything else.
Oh, that's great, sis. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, sis.
Happy for you.
Thank you, bro.
Why are you rubbing it on my face?
Some people.
Why are you rubbing it on my face? And what makes you think you're going to get a job?
Whoa. Come on, man. Why are you not encouraging your wife?
Encouragement? My fault.
You just want to keep her here and keep on abusing her. What's wrong with you, man? Oh.
Or you think I don't see the bruises on my sister's skin? Who the hell do you think you are anyway? Or you think you belong to one occult group or some kind of gang that you are untouchable or what? But let me make this clear to you today. The same hands you are using to abuse my sister today will be the same hand that God I serve will chop off one day and destroy that useless gang of yours. nonsense human being like you.
Guys, it's okay, calm down. It hasn't gotten to this, okay? Calm down.
Whether it has gotten to it or not, the only reason I'm allowing you to work is because I lost my job. And trust me, you are doing this in a fucking 6 months.
Whoa.
Just 6 months.
Come on, man.
Hold on.
That's your
Hold on. And listen very careful. I'm going to bounce back. It's going to take you all by surprise. I'm going to bounce back. Yeah.
Wait. Tell me how you lost your job again. Oh, you forgotten. Should I remind you? That you are always getting drunk.
That's my sis.
Early in the morning, they'll be smelling alcohol in your breath.
drunkard.
They literally got tired of you.
Strong you too.
And they sacked you.
Every morning.
And you think you can project your insecurities on me? You see, this abusing that you are doing is going to come to an end. And trust me, I'm going to get this job. And I'll be able to pay for everything that you couldn't pay for. I'm not going to sit here and exchange words with you. I'm going to get ready for my job interview.
Hey, where are you going? Sit ahead!
Whoa! Damn. They don't hear.
They think they can decide for me. I built this shit because I lost my job. They think they fuck that. I'm going to bounce back, whether they like it or not. Yeah, I think I need to visit the brotherhood. Where is she? Can't clean this shit out before you go for an interview.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. My name is Naomi. I'm here for the job interview. Oh, it's you. Can I have your resume, please?
Can I offer you anything? Water, drink, tea, coffee?
Water is fine.
Water is fine. Okay. I don't know, but you feel so like familiar. You so familiar, but I can't remember where I saw it from.
I think you also look familiar, but I don't really.
Oh yeah, from the church. I think they're gone. I used to attend that church a while back, but I stopped. I think so. I think so. Why did you stop?
Something personal. I don't really.
Okay, sure. I pray you get a job. Okay, so I'm about to submit your resume to the company. So you can please have your resume over there.
Thank you.
Mr. Bentley, the candidate coming for the interview is here. She's really a good woman. And I know her from my church.
Church?
Yeah.
Okay. So she's around, right?
Yes.
We need this position urgent. So let me go through the CV.
I pray this goes in her favor because I'm really hoping for her.
Really?
Job. Yeah.
Okay. I think she's already started on a good note. Yeah, I love what I'm seeing here. So she's around, right?
Yes, please.
We need this position urgent.
Very.
Let me go through the CV.
Okay.
And then you let her in.
All right.
For interview, okay?
Thank you
All right.
so much.
All right.
Comfort beginning of life. A day mankind began, exploring the world and beyond. This same place we live in a jealousy. People are killing for vanity. Just put the money, we don't care the calamity. Them never want nobody fame community. Fly and coop on them like an eagle. Some of them are dirty, some of them are feeble. What you not pray, never wish on to people. Have a foresight and sway from evil. What I've been waiting for, pounds and dollar, pounds and dollar. I've been craving for Benz and Rover, Benz and Rover. Man, I've been working for White House, Panda Hill and Bima. And nobody we are friend, nobody realize.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You must be Naomi, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah. You can have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Going through your CV here already. You can see some smiles on my face, right? Working in. You've been a success to your previous companies. we are glad to have you here as well. And from your CV, I would say you already have a job. Yeah, like we said. So I hope you are ready and energetic to give in your all in here like you did in your previous companies, right?
Yes, please.
And from what I'm seeing, we are good to go. Let me speak to my secretary and see if all the references are clear as usual, then we proceed from there, okay? Yeah. Yeah. So you are done with the... Okay, so you mean your... All her references are very, very good and clear. If that is the case, then prepare her employment letter so she can start work on Monday. Yeah. Alright, good. Go ahead. Yeah, so you had me on the phone with my secretary. I'm sure on your way out, she'll see you and then your employment letter will be ready. Okay? I can't wait to see how helpful you are going to be to this company. Because from what I'm seeing, you are good. Okay, so you are welcome to our company.
Thank you.
Nice
Thank
meeting
you so much for this job.
You are welcome.
I am not going to disappoint you.
Okay, with that. All
I'll
right.
take my leave then.
So be safe.
Okay.
I'll see you here on Monday, right?
Thank you.
All right. Nice.
How did the job go? Interview go?
Guess what?
Why?
I got the job.
Clap it! My sister is the boss of the house
Thank
now.
Yeah, I'm really happy for
so
you.
Happy.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Oh my
myself.
God, this
Yeah,
got
it will ease some pain.
Yeah.
yes. This
I
got
know.
for a celebration. Sister, smile, smile.
I'm
Yeah,
happy,
boss,
I'm
you
happy.
gotten a big deal.
I'm
That's
happy,
nice.
and the salary is very, very good. Trust me, we'll be able to pay up so many
So
things.
many things. Okay.
And I think we need some hands around here.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. So I think I know this house helps. Who can help us with the house preparations and everything.
Really?
So I think I would make that call and see if we'll be able to get them so that it will ease us some pain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me go make that call.
All
Okay.
right.
We'll celebrate later.
All right,
that's
sis.
all
All right, clap it. Some people cry today. Hey, now my sister is the boss of the house, you know. Yeah,
definitely.
you just hit a dollar
No
deal.
stress.
Unlike that, your useless brother. Moving around
forget about
anyhow.
him.
Man,
Forget about
so excited. Ah,
Sandaramaya. 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 Kenneth,
Master.
we are here today because of you. This brotherhood has given you a lot. This brotherhood has given you success. This brotherhood has given you luxury. Yet, you choose to soak yourself every day in and day out in alcohol, which has caused you to lose your job and the big position. So therefore, this brotherhood needs to be cleansed because of the shame you brought upon us. And a sacrifice is required from you during our next meeting. And this sacrifice shall be someone from your household.
I'm sorry, Master, for the shame I've caused this brotherhood. I promise to bring the sacrifice. It's gonna be my wife. You use her sister as Thanksgiving.
I don't know your wife, nor your wife's sister, but I will surprise you. You can use one stone to kill two birds. Your sacrifice shall be required during our next meeting. So shall it be.
I'm going to call my lawyer and increase the life insurance on them so I can get some benefits after I use them for the sacrifice.
So be it. Failure to do so will cost your life.
I know the consequences, Master. Will not fail the brotherhood.
So be it. Sandaramaya. Sandaramaya. Sandaramaya.
You're already here. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hope you are the new people.
Yes. Alright.
Good.
Okay. Good, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
What am I saying here?
The news housekeepers. This one belongs to the guest. This one is for the kitchen.
Security. Salute, sir.
You get to this job. Do you think it can work?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I don't literally need listeners over here. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm a man of my words. I'm a man of my words. I'm very hungry this afternoon. I have to catch up a meeting. Show her the kitchen. Then prepare something for me.
What of the gate man?
Take him to his room.
Alright. Your man.
Follow me.
Follow me. Okay, maybe I'll show you your room for you.
Where's the car? I have a meeting. Hurry up.
Okay. I'm not into it.
Hello, lawyer. How are you doing? And how's the family? You know, whenever I call you, it's an emergency, you know, right? Yeah. Alright, so this is very quick and simple. I want you to increase the life insurance on my wife and the sister. No questions, you do as I say, because I fucking pay you. Good. I need you to do this in the next 4 hours, and I need the documents sent to me in my email to verify as soon as possible. Yeah. No problem. We'll be waiting for the email then. Don't worry, everything's gonna be fine. Everything is fine already. Alright. Bye for now. I'm going to kill her. You say for the sacrifice. And I'm going to bounce back. And when I bounce back, now my brother will leave my house. And the sister's already going to use. It's a Thanksgiving, so you don't even want to worry about her. This is me, Mr. Kenneth.
At least. So I should extend my life.
No, we have to act like we don't know anything for now. We have to wait for her to arrive first. We can't just leave.
Me this whole movie
Wait, come here. I have a plan. We will just wait. When she comes, we will tell her and then we'll leave. It will be that fast.
Me this thing. Come. Let's leave here.
Sit, please.
Thank you.
Naomi, you know today marks your first week in this company, right?
Yes, I do.
And if I tell you how productive you have been, including the energy you brought in here, has affected everyone, and work is actually booming, and I love what I'm seeing on paper. It's actually true. Whatever that is on your CV, it's actually true, and I can see from the results that I have here. I love what I'm seeing. Our finances, everything is actually Yeah, so I would say congratulations for the hard work. You have done so well. I can't wait to see how the first month will be with you. If this is just the first week. And you know, I don't actually mix business with pleasure. But if I look at you, you are not just hardworking, you are not just beautiful, you are not just smart. In fact, I would say I have grown fond of you, yeah, lately, and I would like this success to be celebrated at lunch today. If you are free and don't have anything doing when it's 12 at noon.
Thank you so much, sir. I really wish I could go with you, even though my marriage is not really stable at the moment. But
Did you just say your marriage is not stable at the moment? And you are still producing these grades? Really? Because if your marriage is really giving you problems, then wow. Can you tell me more if I can help?
yeah, my husband, he's actually been abusing me. He actually allowed me to get this job for 6 months because he lost his job due to his drunkenness, lateness at work, and all that. So I'm only here for a short period of time.
Really? I wouldn't like to have you here for a short while. I would like to have you here for as long as it will take. Abusive marriage. May I know your husband?
Yeah, he's called Kenneth.
Kenneth. It shouldn't be the Kenneth I know. You said he lost his job recently.
Yes. A very big job. Like he had a very big job. He lost it because he's always drunk, he's late to work and all that.
Really? And he's called Kenneth. Let me see his picture. Kenneth. This is your husband. You know he's in the brotherhood, right?
Yes.
And the same brotherhood he's part of, I am the leader. Yes. But you have nothing to worry about here. It's all good. Like I told you earlier, I've grown fond of you. And I'll change my life around for you. And I just want you to stay calm, stay put, play along, and let's see how best we can get this done. He spoke to a lawyer about a life insurance on you. That life insurance has to change on him rather. Let me place a call to the lawyer because I do know who the lawyer is. So just a minute, please. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Good day, lawyer. Good, and yourself? Yeah. Okay, I'm sure Kenneth called you. Yeah, to place a life insurance on his wife and his sister, Kenneth. Yeah, so this is what we are going to do. I want you to swear a secrecy that the life insurance is going to be turned around into Kenneth's name rather, not his wife. And also I want you to do it as quick as possible. Send it to my secretary so I can have it as soon as possible. Okay, that's fine. Alright then. Okay, good. Alright, get to work. Okay? Good. Yeah, so Naomi, you helped me with the lawyer, right? So you have nothing to worry about as of now. I want you to know you are safe here. This company is actually very happy to have you. And I'm very glad to have someone like you very close to me. Like I told you earlier, I'm very fond of you and I would like to have a lunch with you so we can get to see how things will unfold with time. Okay? I know you are nervous, but just be calm and stay put. Okay? You have nothing to worry about in this company. I got you. And your husband has no right on you. So free your mind and play along as well. Till we get to our final destination. You get it? Okay then. You can go to your office while I continue doing what I'm doing. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay. See. Don't forget the lunch, yeah? When it's time, I'll pick you up. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Madam.
Adam, how are you?
I'm fine, madam. What about you?
I'm good. How's your week been? How's it been for you?
Oh, madam, it's good. How was work?
It was good.
As you can see, this garden, by tomorrow, it will be nice and clean, madam. Don't worry about it.
All right, you're doing a good job.
Hey, madam. You want to eat food this week or you want us to cook?
No, let him talk. What is it?
Madam, I heard him. He said he wanted to sacrifice you and your sister.
Okay.
I also heard him saying that he wanted the lawyer to increase your life insurance. He should increase it.
Karen, don't worry. I know about it already. I know what my husband is planning.
Madam, please, you should stay very safe for us.
Sure.
You know we love you.
Yes. Don't worry about it, okay?
Madam, so when are we leaving? When can we leave? When?
Okay, sure. So I'm going to give you guys some days off, okay?
Madam,
And I'm going to increase your salary. Everything is under control, okay? So let me get inside and then I'll bring you the check, all right? Thank you for telling me. All right, let me leave you to pack. All right, sure. Don't worry. It's fine, okay? Adam, please go back to your post. Adam, go back to your post.
You sent for me. What's the agency?
You won't believe what I just found out about my husband.
I know that son of a bitch is of no good, but what has he done this time around?
Do you know he was planning to sacrifice you and I for that his cult?
What? How did you find it?
Don't worry. God has already revealed it.
I don't believe this one. Yeah, I know that your husband is not a good person. He's very useless. He's a drunkard. He's a woman who's about to kill. I don't believe in that.
Jackie, are you listening to me? Are you really hearing what I'm saying? I'm saying that he was planning to sacrifice you and I. And you think I'm making up stories? Well, we shouldn't tell his brother King because right now we can't trust anybody. So let's not tell him about it. I think he's on his way to the brotherhood right now. Let's see what God will do with his house.
So he's about to sacrifice you, me, to his secret cult. God forbid it can't be as Sophia. It won't happen.
You see, when I always tell you about him, you think I'm making up stories.
This is your husband. Back to sender. His own brother that will die first. Not me.
church to pray. Oh yeah. I think it's a good idea. Let's go and see the pastor. Let's go. Let me leave my bag here.
Sandaramaya. Fellow court members, this urgent meeting is to update you about the recent change of plans. Because Lord Sharma needs no sacrifice from Kenneth, he himself shall be the sacrifice. Lord Sharma has requested for his body instead. I know he has caused a lot of harm and disgrace to this brotherhood. We will not accept this again. And Sharma has requested for he himself to be the sacrifice. So today is the final day for Kenneth. Sandaramaya. He will be here in no time. So act normal and carry the duties as planned.
I'm here.
Kenneth, your wayward lifestyle towards this court has not gone unnoticed. And Sharma has requested for you as the top sacrifice instead.
Spare my life.
Your life is what is required. And I have nothing to offer. Court members, take him to the chambers.
Oh no, Master. Master, give me the last chance. Master, I will change. I will change.
Naomi, I called you here to show you something. Remember, I promised not just to make you mine, not just to love you. I promised to change my life around for you. I promised to end your problems. Whatever that has been giving you issues lately, I promised to end them. And today is the day I am going to fulfill all those promises to you. My fellow court members, I am taking a break away from all this. So you may take your leave now. I'll see you definitely when it's necessary. Thank you too. Naomi, you see this glass jar in front of you? This is your problems. All the issues, all your crimes, all your trauma has ended today. And right here in this glass jar is the ashes of Kenneth, which has been your problem all these years. Do whatever you want with it. You can dispose it, you can throw it away, you can bury it, you can dump it in the toilet. Whatever you want to do with it, your problems has been handed over to you. Now, here is it. You can check it for yourself.
See how it works? I didn't even have to lift a finger. all my years of pain, the years you abused me, the years I cried my eyes out. You see where I landed you? In a box. In a freaking box! Kenneth, I'm not even going to give you the courtesy of burying you. I am going to throw your ashes in the toilet because that is where you belong. Kenneth, it's game over. And I won. I won!
I know. Take it easy. Let's see what life unfolds for you and I. Like I said, I want to make you my wife and I want to make you mine. Happiness is your portion from now onwards. And success, definitely, is not far away from you. Ease up, okay? You're good to go. You're welcome. Okay? So you can do whatever you do with this. So be it now and then. Yeah? Alright then.
Scene 5, take 1. Action.
Zandaramaya.
Hey, Mr.
Mr.
Scene 8, ending, take 4. Action.
You sent for me. What's the agency?
You won't believe what I just found out about my husband.
Ha! What has he done this time around? I know that son of a bitch is of no good. But what has he done this time around? Tell me, sis.
Do you know he was planning to sacrifice you and I for that his cult?
What? How did you find it?
Don't worry. God has already revealed it.
Take 2. Okay, scene 6, take 2. Action.
heard Oga Kenneth. He was saying that he was going to kill his wife and his sister-in-law. He was going to kill them. Someone, come and listen to me. This is not safe.
Where's my wife? Naomi!
Sound speeding. Scene.
Eight, 7, 7, 7.
Cut first station.
Scene 4, take 2, action.
Hi guys.
Hi, sis. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you guys doing?
You are doing great. How was your day?
I was okay, I'm just tired.
How did the job go? Interview go?
Guess what?
Why?
I got the job.
Clap it! My sister is the boss of the house now.
Scene 3, take 2. Close up of secretary. Reaction of Naomi. Sound speeding, right? Camera rolling. And action.
Hi, good morning. Good morning. My name is Naomi. I'm here for the job interview. Oh, it's you. Can I have your resume, please? Thank you.
It will be nice and clean, madam. Don't worry about it.
Alright, you're doing a good job.
Hey, are you
Afternoon.
Madam, let me have it.
Okay.
So you recite the whole thing.
Sure, yeah.
You know, baby driver, let's go.
But was my vocal okay?
Rolling. Sound speeding.
Yeah, be cool.
Okay, so scene 3. Close up of Mr. Vance. Take 1. Reaction of Naomi. 3, 2, 1, and action.
Driver, I do my shot inside, so follow.
I didn't know you'd be talking. So.
Alright,
Don't worry, just flow.
Flow, Enko.
Take it up. From top.
My name Kasa Enko.
No, we end it with something.
When you miss someone.
Lord Sharma has requested for his body instead.
3, 2, 1, action.
I can't even recognize myself anymore.